Cześć, dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. Bardzo gorąco lato. It's very hot summer today. Well, actually, before I'm gonna show you my daily video, I would like to show you what's Damian's update in London. So please check this out.
Because right now I'm actually over 30 hours awake, and definitely I just wanna buy some cold Coke or maybe cold beer or whatever they have and just have a sleep until I wake up and I feel good because recently I'm a little bit tired, to be honest. Also on the other side is Starbucks, so if Winnie like it, she will post this one also showing for Winnie everything as always. So see you next one, and I will be here for a few days. So this is the hotel, it's called Aviation if you're interested, and this is the servo area or service area like this one next to M3 highway going from London. So it's pretty nice. Gonna get inside maybe tomorrow, gonna film actually inside. That's the situation inside the area. There's the WHS Waitrose, Pizza Express, Starbucks. Another Starbucks is outside, KFC, Burger King, Chopstick, Subway, and some other shop. Actually other one is shop, so closed, so you can have a chopstick, some noodles, but they're closing down. It's already around 8, so Burger King and KFC unfortunately cannot find anywhere the fish and chips, so probably no fish and chip, unfortunately. So I will have to find somewhere else, maybe tomorrow outside. After that there's Starbucks, but open at 6, closed at 8. It's nice, little hotel and a nice service station open till 10, and also nice little park. So I will film more in the next upcoming days. We'll show you around. Welcome from London, from Farnborough, actually outside of London on the Farnborough Air Show 3 days before the show itself. And this is the Boeing and a lot of aviation geeks here you can find. This is where I'm working actually for a few days. Then in the background you can see the fighter jets and everything like this one, the private jets. And this is all about the defense, but the aviation defense. So a lot of things going on. Some nice bar is gonna be, but this is like an exposition one. Yeah, just wanted to show you a little bit. It's like a 3 days to the D-Day. So this is inside where I am. This is the Farnborough Air Show. Under the construction, really a lot of things going on. Has the huge Boeing stand here, and the airport is in the background. Yeah, a lot of things ongoing. Very important event. And for example, this is the one stand where they building the whole engine here with the 98 screen and everything. And that's how does it look like. A lot of interesting stuff. Also a lot of Polish people everywhere. We go to the shop today, Polish people. Oh, you can find this and this speaking Polish. Going to the pub, Polish voices. Going everywhere, Polish voices. However, the Uber driver was Romanian, and I was lucky he drove the BMW 5 Series on UberX, but 40 quid. It's different pricing, but this is UK now. It's pretty quiet though. It's actually nearby London, but it's quiet. Little bit of the street action actually, or no action. There is little KFC. This is house they look like Farnborough in UK. Oh, this is roundabout, by the way. This is just lines printed on the street, and this is the Farnborough. About half hour to London, something like that. A lot of people from all around the world. Many hotels here, red buildings. This is it. And the rubbish bins goes litter here, also with the Farnborough art. Yeah, after that, that's how does it look like over here. And to make it clear, I used to live in UK 4.5 years, but mostly in the Belfast area in Northern Ireland and England. Well, everything has changed here. It's like a lot of homeless actually, but the weather spot is the same, almost the same, because the logo looks different. I have a time because we're gonna have some beers here in the Wetherspoon. Wetherspoons are still here, by the way. A little bit of the situation in England and Farnborough. That's how does it look like actually. Welcome to UK.
Very nice update from Damian. Well, today I bought my coffee in Zapka. It cost me about 6 zloty, and also I bought my drink. It's very hot and I couldn't find the closest coffee shop. I got headache already, and then I will have a meeting at 2 p.m. with my friends. Because she is gonna move to Southeast Asia soon, and she planned to open a business in Poland about exporting, like furnitures and bamboo stingy, rattan stingy, so the things that is made from Southeast Asia. So first of all, I said I'm open with any kind of business. So now we are in the park. Basically, it's nice. It's very hot. It's about 31 degrees Celsius. Look at this. It's very hot currently. It's nice. So I told my friends in Bali is that during a summer holiday here in Poznań, especially, as you see that it's not as overcrowded like what you have seen maybe in Spain or Italy or something like that. It's not that as over tourism. Even some people coming to the park just to have a nap. It's nice, the weather is not humid and bright, sunny, warm. It's very nice with the listening the sound of the fountain. I actually hope is that Poland is not over tourism like my home island in Bali, because if it is over tourism, the prices will be over skyrocketed. Like here, what I always said to my friend, the cost of living and how is the life, it's really worth it. I know that like in Poland is not very expensive if you compare with Germany, for example, or if you compare with any European countries. Like my husband always said, living in Poland is good. So I read today in social media about the protests in Spain, because of for tourism there, many locals doing a massive protests. They are not happy because of the cost of living is very skyrocketed, even that the locals couldn't afford anymore to pay for the housing. This is what actually happening to Bali. What I've explained, prices are very going up. That's why Damian and I feel like, with the quality of life there, traffic jams, pollution, rubbish and plastics, the chaos, that is why Damian and I move out from Bali and living here in Poland. We start over again with everything. We borrowed money and we have to work hard for that. Just like today, Damian called me and always saying, "Honey, I will be traveling a lot. I hope that you are fine with that." For me, is that as long as Damian enjoying what he's doing, just do it. And then while I'm here in Poland, I keep building connection. I keep opening up myself with any kind of business. So like my friend said in Bali, right now, a little bit update for you. Maybe for those of you who are not interested in Bali, it's okay. But for those of you who still watching us from Bali, my friend said is that many foreigners even like, opening a business that taking local job. So this is actually the sign of the over tourism. And here in Poland, even like, I'm opening my Bali spa and massage, the requirement and the paperwork, it's very hard. I'm still right now waiting for one paper to be approved. Imagine that I planned, and I applied it from March, at the end of the March, still until right now, under process of reviewing. So here is not easy to opening this business, but it is possible. Just like my husband, he's opening a transport company basically, and he is also working in the one Targi company. So we open up for everything. Look at this beautiful building. I mean like that one, fancy art gallery. So this in front of me is the Kamienica. Actually mostly the Kamienica is like 3 or 4 story building with a old door architecture, something like that. So yeah, we are now in Mostova Street because I'm gonna meet my friends around here. Her office is around here. This area Mawegarmari, especially in Mostova streets, my husband said that this one is the old Polish Kamienica where during the war I think it's never never destroyed. So some of them still keep the old architecture building just like in front of me. This is a piece of history, but some of the building, the Kamienica, they also already like restored or renovated. So yeah, here's basically the area. They have nice barber here. Look at this beautiful fountain in the middle and the park. Nice flowers. And we keep walking. So in the front is actually the Warta River. After meeting my friends, we talk a lot, we laugh a lot, and now I decided to go to the Warta River area. And yeah, today's weekend. I decided to come here to enjoy my time. So we talk a lot about opening a business together or something like that. And then and another friend coming, and another friend coming. So what I see is that my circle of friends is just like going big and big. And you know, this is how actually friendship in Poland goes. It is very hot currently here, and I decided I want to buy ice cream there for the container because we are in the container art right now. Let's go. It's very hot outside, around 30 degrees, and I decided to buy my ice cream and enjoying my Friday evening here in the container art. And I'll show you around. It's actually the place. I think it's gonna be a concert soon. So there are some restaurants in the container, and we see that there are some families there also having a great time. And it's not as packed busy as previously, but I think that will be busy later on. And yeah, it's interesting. Nice. So this is actually the situation of the kind of a club next to the river. Basically nice concept, you know, the many kind of the brand restaurant here, they open their booths inside the container. That's why it's called container art. As you see that there are some people here as well enjoying their time with their friends, with the family. Just arrived in the home area. I think that's all our video today, guys, and the update from Damian as well. So Damian will be in London, I think, until Tuesday next week. So I make a video like together with Damian's video to showing you how's our life. Like my friend asking me today that how do you cope with, you know, when your husband is away working and then you are alone living in Poznań. For me, I used to with that. I mean, like Damian's working abroad. Let's say I'm living in Bali, Damian was in Kuala Lumpur or in Thailand. Meanwhile, vice versa, I was traveling around islands in Indonesia. Meanwhile, Damian home. So for us, it's not a big deal. So I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.